In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for haired up styling, a step-by-step guide. We'll walk through choosing the right engine setting for your task, running a clear face shape and texture audit, building a daily product routine that actually works for your hair, and generating a precise script you can take straight to the chair. Follow along, keep your notes handy, and you'll turn guesswork into a reliable, repeatable process. Start by matching your grooming logistics to the correct engine tier in the model dropdown at the top of your chat window. Leave it on the instant tier when you need rapid, everyday guidance. This is perfect for quick adjustments like swapping a heavy pomade for a lighter sea salt spray, checking how often you should wash based on your scalp and product use, or decoding styling terminology before you buy. When you're planning a full structural style change, switch to the thinking tier. It's designed for deeper reasoning, such as weighing contrasting facial dimensions, mapping a multi-month grow out sequence, or testing hair density against complex cuts. If you're unsure, start on instant to get oriented, then escalate to thinking for the big decisions. Next, run a face shape and hair texture audit. Avoid walking into a barbershop with a vague, "give me a modern haircut." Instead, paste this into ChatGPT. Act as an elite celebrity hairstylist, master barber, and grooming consultant. I want to find the most flattering haircut for my features. Provide a detailed styling guide for an individual with a insert face shape, e.g. oval, square, round face shape, who has insert hair texture type, e.g. thick and wavy, fine and straight, coarse and curly hair. Detail the 3 best haircut options that balance these features, explain exactly why they work, and note which cuts should be avoided at all costs. If you're unsure of your face shape, describe your features and hair behavior in detail so the model can approximate it. Then lock in the look with the right products and routine. Paste. Act as a professional salon educator and hair health expert. I have insert hair type, length, e.g. medium length, thick hair, and want to achieve a insert desired style, e.g. matte, textured, high volume look. Provide a step-by-step morning styling routine. Specify the exact type of products I should use, e.g. clay, pomade, cream, how to apply them to damp or dry hair, and the correct blow dryer technique to lock the style in place all day. Consider asking for heat settings and product amounts by hair density to avoid buildup. Finally, close the communication gap with your barber. Paste. I have decided to get a insert chosen haircut name, e.g. mid-skin fade with a textured crop on top. Act as a master barber trainer. Write a precise technical script of instructions that I can read out loud or show to my barber when I sit in the chair. Use professional barber terminology regarding guard sizes, blending, texturizing vectors, neckline finish style, and length parameters to guarantee there is zero miscommunication. Save the script to your phone and bring it with you. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys on the next one.